Hello students. So we have finished with our division chapter. I hope you all learnt new things, how we have to divide the numbers when the huge numbers are given, right? Today we are going to start with a new chapter, time. So by hearing the name time, what you are remembering? What do you mean by time? So how it is important for us? Time is very important for us, right? Not only for us, each and every human beings are working under time. If time is not provided in this world, what happens? Imagine. There is no proper schedule of any work, right? For all the work, we need time. We look into the time, we follow the time, according to the time, we do the works, right? Yes. So when you go to your school, so by just looking the time, you will run to school. When you come to home, you will watch the time. And when the lunch period is arranged, you see the lunch period. And we eat 3 times according to the time. And by just looking at the time, this is a morning, we have to eat the breakfast. This is the afternoon, we have to take a lunch. And dinner we have to take for 8 to 9 o'clock. Within that we have to take a dinner, right? Yes, time is very important for each and every person to schedule that work or to keep up the work, to finish any job. Time is very, very important, right? Without time we cannot arrange anything. Time is very, very precious. So that the proverb is also says us we must not waste the time also. Once the time goes, again the same time will not come again. See, yesterday's 1 o'clock I was sleeping, or I wasted the time by just wasted the time. Today I want that 1 hour to do something new. If I ask, the time will come again? No, right? Yes. Whenever the time comes us, we have to utilize it for proper way. Okay. So let us start with that. So in your class 4, you are learnt about time and its units such as minutes, hours and days, so on. So in your class 4, you have learnt time consists of hour, minute and also second and days. And you can draw this clock and you can send it 7:33 p.m. or 4:45 a.m. What is this p.m. and a.m.? You know, right? Yes. So 1:25 p.m. and 1450 hours. Okay. So answer this question. How many hours are there in a day? How many hours are there in a day? There are 24 hours. So we keep for 8 hours is the maximum we have to sleep. So if we reduce 8 hours in that, 16 hours are in our hand. So what we are utilizing 16 hours? How many hours we are sending for it, for playing, studying or doing something new things? We can calculate that. How many days are there in a year? So there are 365 days in a year, we know. How many days make a week? 7 days make a week. How many days are there in a leap year? We have 346 days in a leap year. How many days does the month of December have? December always consists of 31 days. Okay. So days 2 hours, hours 2 days. So 1 day is equal to 24 hours, right? But 1 hour is equal to 1 by 24 hours, or 1 hour is also is equal to 60 minutes. So the clock should turn one term to finish 1 hour, right? And 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. So if the smaller, we know we have 3 hands, one is hour hand, one is minute hand, and one is second hand. So 1 minute, to complete 1 minute, the second hand should turn one round, one circle in the clock, right? Yes. And 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. 60, that is 1 by 60 hour. Okay, you can mention in this way also. And 1 second is equal to 1 by 60 minute. Then 1 second also calculated as 1 by 6 into 1 by 60 in hours, that is 1 by 360 hours. So if you divide, you will get like a 0.00 and something if you divide 1 by 360 hour. Okay, so this is how the time schedule works.